Hello, you beautiful Knotty-Creatives. Welcome to another episode, Amateur Edition. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're true, I appreciate you. Remember to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Let's get into it. Here is a before and after of what I did to my nails. Okay, and to start, I pushed my cuticles back, which I didn't record. Okay, don't you just hate forgetting to push record. But after that, I use my cuticle drill to get the excess skin off my cuticles. I will definitely link the drill bits I use in the description box below, and everything else that I use in this video, if it is still available through Amazon, I will have all of that in the description below. Okay, so after I went ahead and cut the excess cuticles and excess skin, I just went in with my nail cutter and clipped off the excess nail. Now I'm going in with my sanding drill, my sanding band, and my drill to get any of the smoothness and oiliness off of my nail bed. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys watch me do that here. Now I'm gluing the nail tips on. Okay. And these are definitely super long nail tips. Here is what they look like on both hands. Okay, and next is going to be clipping the tips to the length you want, which I went for a small length. All right. And after you get the length that you want to go back in with your sanding band to that area where the nail tip meets your nail, so you can sand that down so the acrylic can adhere better. I'm cleaning off the dust and debris with Young Nail Swipe. And once I do that, I'm going in with the Young Nails Protein Bond. And you only want to put that on the nail bed. Here's what they look like before I apply my clear layer. Here is the acrylic liquid or monomer I am using. And those dappen dishes, I will link those in the description below as well. Here is the pink acrylic. And the clear acrylic I will be using as well. So to start, you want to dip the brush into the liquid, only remove a small amount, and bounce in the acrylic powder to pick up what's called a bead. And then you apply. So me personally, I am still getting better at the bead techniques, but here is my process so far. So I'll let you guys watch a little bit of that. Here are both hands, which look nice already with just the clear acrylic. I could stop here, but we've got a bit more to go. I'm going to let you guys watch me apply the pink acrylic and fast forward through that since it's the same process as the clear. But I just wanted you guys to see the initial application for the pink, which is so soothing and clear. I'm really in love with this pink. Definitely let me know down in the comment section below what is your favorite color to get when you go to the nail salon, or your favorite acrylic to get applied to your nails. Okay, so again at this portion here, I'm going to fast forward through while you guys watch the process. It's pretty much the exact same as with the clear, just with the pink, and you just want to make sure that you've got, you know, enough layers or enough beads to cover the entire nail, to make sure that your apex is good, which is the middle portion, so that you don't really have any breakage. So yeah, I'm gonna fast forward through that, and I will show you guys when I'm ready to start filing. Here are both hands so far. Okay, so now we're going to start filing. I'm not sure what the name of this drill bit is called, but it's got like a little bit of spikes on it, and it pretty much just helps to smooth out the roughness and buff everything out. So I'm going to use that around my cuticle area and over the surface of the nail as well. And I'm going to let you guys watch how I do that here. Now I'm just going ahead and using a hand file for the corners. Just making sure everything is smooth. And then I'm going in with a buffer as well. Okay, and I'm also remembering to go in on the other side, the underside of the nail also. Here I'm just testing the smoothness out to see how it feels on the skin and making any necessary adjustments. Okay, and there's little man's hand. But yeah, so at this point everything has been good. I went ahead and washed my hands, and now I'm going in with my Mervan my base coat. Okay, and look at that gloss, honey. It is shining through. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna put one coat of that on. So I'm going to apply this to both hands, and then I'm going to place those into my UV lamp for about 2 minutes. super cute. I'm really loving this shine already, and this is just the base coat without the top coat. So now I'm placing it into the UV lamp. Okay, and here they both are right here. So I would stop here, but I'm actually trying to see what this gel looks like, because I did try to do this for someone using the gel, but it was acting a bit weird, and I've never really used a gel color polish before outside of, you know, going to an actual salon. I normally just use the gel base and top coat. So I wanted to try it on myself to see, you know, if there's any chipping, or just to learn from what happened with the other person. So I'm definitely gonna add this purple on. And if you guys know of any tips and tricks to help when applying the polish, like for it to not get around the cuticle area and on my finger, could you please drop that in the description? Not in the description, but could you drop that in the comments below, so I can get some tips on how to keep the polish off of my fingers and off of my cuticle area. I would definitely appreciate it. But if you guys have made it this far, I am so grateful, and I hope that you guys enjoy this little amateur DIY acrylic nails video. Let me know what you guys think of the color, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, this is the first hand right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand as well. Here is the finished look, the finished product. It's super cute, especially for the summertime. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and don't forget to share so that somebody else can learn a new hobby as well. Okay, and as always guys, thanks so much. Lots of love.